In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show all event details in Google Calendar. If you've ever clicked an event and only seen a small pop-up with limited information, this walkthrough will show you how to open the full editor and make sure every important detail is visible. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. From the main calendar view, select an event you want to work with. This brings up the quick view, which is great for a glance, but we want to open the complete event details so nothing is missed. When the event preview appears, look for the three-dot menu in the corner of the pop-up. Click it to reveal more options. Choose Duplicate. This is a simple way to jump into the full event editor with all fields available without altering your original until you decide to save. You can keep the duplicate as your updated version or delete it later if you are only reviewing. Now that you're in the full editor, you can review and edit everything that controls what people see. Update the title so it's clear and scannable. Confirm the date, start and end times, and whether it's an all-day event. If time zones matter, check that setting so guests see the correct local time. Add a location or a video conferencing link if you need one. In the description box, include the agenda, links, and any context people need before they attend. You can also attach files so everyone has the same documents. If you're inviting guests, add them here and adjust guest permissions, like whether they can invite others or see the guest list. For visibility, choose the appropriate level, default, private, or public, depending on who should be able to view the full details. You can also set whether the event shows you as busy or free, pick a color for easy scanning, and configure notifications so attendees get reminders at the right time. When everything looks good, click Save. If you've added or changed guests, Google Calendar will ask whether to send updates. Send them if you want attendees to be notified of the latest details. After saving, open the event again to confirm that all the information appears exactly as intended. This approach ensures your event presents a complete picture, making it easier for everyone to prepare and show up on time. That's it. By opening the full editor through the three-dot menu and duplicate, editing inside all editing the key fields, and saving, you make sure all event details are clear and accessible. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.